And we're live.
Alright, we are live. And we are in, we're going to call it the boat room.
Because of the Ironside model.
Oh, that cool boat that's in this room. That's why we're going to call it the boat room. That's the only reason. Otherwise, we'd probably call it some Civil War guy that's in this case right here. But for now, we're going to call it the boat room. So, we have digital audio running. We have 2 mag lights set up. And I'm going to turn this obelisk on, and we're going to see if we can communicate with somebody. So, if somebody is here with us, please make your presence known. Any way you can. If you can shut off those flashlights, that would be great, and we'll know that you're here. You can communicate through the obelisk, if you like, or the digital audio recorder.
Wrench, hammer, hair,
Wrench, hammer, hair. Interesting. So, do you have a name? Is somebody in here with us that has a name, wants to tell us their name?
How long were you in the war? Did you have a family? Do you know where you are?
You're in the jungle, baby. And you're going down. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. I felt possessed for a second.
Just for a second, though.
Yeah,
Glad it's passed.
yes. We forgot to flip coins on who's going to get possessed next. That's
Oh,
what
yeah.
Zach does.
That's a good point. Definitely one of those nights.
And that is why we are here.
Oh, yeah.
Can you turn off those flashlights? I say that because we had some random hits on the K2 all of a sudden, but then it stopped.
Rogue's been just doing these little itty bitty ticks, but nothing that's jumping.
Who knows?
And we're back on.
Alright. Part 2 in the boat room. So, if anybody's here with us, can you shut off the light? Let us know that you're here. Can you touch Mateo? Let him know that you're here.
Touch my hand.
And the shark has great big teeth and it keeps it pearly white. Oh, the shark has great big teeth and he keeps it pearly white. Alright, back to seriousness.
Back to seriousness.
back to the boat room.
Meanwhile,
Meanwhile, we're having an EVP session in the boat room.
alright. Make your presence known, please. Let us know you're here.
Awfully quiet in here.
Too quiet. Are you with us? Are you here?
Say something through the obelisk. As Mateo would say. Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Getting nothing.
You know what we need to do?
What?
Come sail away. Come sail away. Come sail away with me in the boat room. Come sail away. Come sail away. Come sail away with me in the boat room.
Just so people understand the boat room reference. There's the boat.
Isn't it a pretty boat? Isn't
I'm
it
on a boat.
wonderful vessel?
I'm on a boat. I'm on a motherfucking boat. Oh man.
Throw me a fucking life raft.
What do you think, Abe? Yeah, go ahead and say.
You gotta say what you gotta say.
I forgot what I said earlier.
Take two.
What do you think, Abe?
Hey, at least he was honest.
Let's see where we're marking it. Marked at 9:13.
Hey, well, we're close to that 10-minute mark. So I guess we're gonna have to probably sign out here soon because nothing's happened in the boat room.
Not a single thing. No action.
I mean, honest Davey will tell you nothing's happened.
Not a damn
Nothing.
thing.
Nothing's happening. He'll tell you. He's very honest. His name's Abe, and he's very honest. He'll tell you nothing's happening in this room right now. Ain't that right, Abe? Ain't that right, Abe? Tell us. See? Tell me that he's honest.
Alright, let's close it. Let's kill it.
Alright. End of VVP session. In the boat room with Honest Abe and the
On a
boys.
boat. I'm on a boat. I'm on a motherfucking boat.
Alright. End of VVP session one more time. In the Franklin County Jail in Benton, Illinois. In the boat room. Over and out. Later. Bye.
And we're out.